Here I have REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. Power saving mode. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off automatically when battery is up to 19% charged. You can set it to turn on at specific battery level, and you can also set a default optimization for this mode, like you can reduce screen brightness, you can change auto screen time off to 15 seconds, disable background synchronization, and lower screen refresh rate. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.